Hello, welcome back to a new video. My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, and you're watching another snail mail, pen pal letter, happy meal idea video. So, I'm going to speed this video up in a second, but I just wanted a little minute to chat to you guys first to explain what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the newest flow book for paper lovers to make a little, I don't know, flip book, I guess. You will see in the end what I'm making. It's kind of like a little happy meal. So I picked that tea. I don't actually recall what the flavor was. I got it from one of you guys in my PO box. It was something with turmeric. But remember that tea because it's going to come back later on in this video. Okay, I have to admit, I'm a little bit short on time here because it's currently 5 minutes past 8 on a Monday evening, and I always upload my videos on 9 or 8:30 on a Monday, so you know I'm actually very late. I'm very late because today I went to my PO box and then I wanted to do like the PO box, the mail opening video, and then I kind of lost track of time. But the first thing you saw me do is pick all of these papers from the book to create kind of like a mood board or a sea or what would match and look nice. I knew from the beginning that I wanted it to be green and botanical, and I wanted to use nearly only, or try and use only the flow book. And the page with the word give on it, that's actually like a chapter front. I don't know how to explain it. It's like you have all of these different chapters in the book, and then the give is just like an introduction page. But I love the color of that, so I thought I would actually use that as like the base of my flip book. And then that little card on the left, the bottom left, and also the top right, those are little cards that, yeah, you just get in there. And then that little paper, the white paper with the little illustration on it, that's actually a page from one of the notebooks that's inside the flow book. And then what I'm folding now is actually, I'm sorry, I'm explaining everything. Then that folded thing is actually like a wrapping paper, I guess, but I'm using it to make a little envelope. I'm just going with the flow here. I had no idea what I wanted to do. I just knew that I wanted to create something botanical and have fun. I also want to say that I don't usually like make a video around a certain product, just like this flow book for paper lovers, but I did want to clarify that this is not sponsored or anything. It's just I bought that book, or actually I have a subscription for the flow book, and I was so excited to make a video using only pages from that book, and I hope you guys like it too. By the way, let me know if you want me to do this more often. So I made that envelope, and I didn't necessarily like the back of it, so I thought I would cover it up with something. And I found a coloring book page in the flow book with these cute teacups. And that kind of matches my style, my thing, you know, teacups. So I thought I would cut that out, color it in, and use it as like a little die cut, a little image individually instead of using the entire coloring book page. I quite like doing that because it has something so personal and fun. Like, it's something really different. I think it can look really nice if you spend a little bit of time on it. And also what I really like about it is that it shows that you put in time and effort. Although I'm not very good at coloring, I know it sounds weird being an adult, but I'm not that good at coloring. One of my teachers at primary school actually made fun of me and my brother for not being able to color in between the lines, but I guess it all worked out. Juf Annemarie, it all worked out. Yeah, you know. But okay, so I colored that in and I cut it out carefully, and I wrote tea time. No, I wrote relax. I think I wrote like relax and sip tea or something like that. We will see that in a second. While sipping tea. And that like drum roll I do with my fingers, that's my thinking thing. When I don't know what I want to do next, I just roll my fingers like da 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 da. I don't actually know what to do. Oh, that's what I did. I wrote relax, and then I wrote and drink tea, I think. chatty. I think it turned out so cute. But okay, I'm a little bit late today with the video. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna make it in time. And not because I've been super busy, because I actually had the weekend off. So I have literally no excuses. I had the weekend off. Oops, little glasses in the screen there. And that was so nice. Like, I relaxed a lot, but I also managed to get quite a lot done. Oh, I don't actually think I told you guys this. I did tell that in the PO box video, but it's not going to be online before this video. That's a washi tape sample. I'm pretty sure I got that from Anna in her beautiful mail. Those are all of my washi tape samples I want to use. I'm also planning on doing a washi tape sample giveaway because I'm never going to be able to use all of them. But I didn't, oh yeah, like I was saying, I didn't tell you guys this yet, I think. I'm pretty sure I didn't tell you, but we had our bathroom redone in the new house and it's finally done, yay! So this weekend we cleaned the bathroom because of course they do like the montage of the bathroom, but they don't clean it for you. So we did the cleaning, did the vacuuming, I did the mopping of all of the floors. That's actually wrapping from an order I did, like a paper district order, and I thought it would match and I end up not using it, just like a little spoiler. And then the flow book also has this letter writing paper, so I already put that in there for when I would write the letter, and I put in a bag of tea, which went very quickly. And then that's a little notebook page from that little notebook on the right. And that was gift wrapping paper again. It's going quite quickly. But yeah, I'm going to make like a little collage, and then I also want to make a pocket out of that gift wrap. I don't think I told you guys this yet also, but that pocket on the left page is also, that card on the left page also turns into a pocket. But you will see. So, productive weekend, lots of cleaning done, which is not my favorite thing, but it has to be done. And then what else did we do? We moved the dryer upstairs, which is kind of important. I cannot even remember what I did this weekend, but I feel like we were quite productive. And then I also spent a lot of time relaxing, doing lots of crafting, which was fun. Doing some craft room organizing. I feel like I'm never gonna be done. And I'm writing a quote. Sorry, I'm writing a quote. What does it say? Oh yeah, I think not perfect is also good. Not perfect is also good. That's something I have to remember. And then I doodle a little bit on that page. So yeah, this weekend was not busy, so that's not actually the reason why I didn't do this video. But I was having such nice weekend vibes, you know? Waking up, deciding what to do, because I so often have to work in the weekends, and now I could just, you know, do whatever. And then today I went to my PO box, went to the Home Depot store, filmed the PO box video, and then had to make dinner, and then I realized, oops, I'm very late. So that's the story of this video. I hope you guys still enjoy it. By the way, this mail went to a subscriber. I'm pretty sure it should have arrived by now because I sent it out in, I think, February. I don't actually remember. I'm trying to find the picture so I can, I think it went to Lena. Let me see if I can find the picture. Where is it? Because I try to, if I remember, I try to take pictures of outgoing mail. And meanwhile, in the video, I am, where is it? Oh, there it is. Yes, Lena in Germany. I hope it arrived. I never know. But meanwhile, in the video, I used some of that craft paper that I get from the flower guy at the farmer's market to cover up the word give. Because of course it wasn't actually like a page you were supposed to use, but it's so sturdy and pretty. And then I have that die cut that says hello. I'm pretty sure I also got that from Anna. Although I'm second guessing myself right now. As much as I love all of your mail, I cannot actually remember who I get what from. Sorry, but I think it was from Anna. Beautiful die cut with the word hello. I think that matches so well. Like a botanical theme with lots of green and gold goes so well together. And then that little box with sprinkles is actually some enamel dots. Enamel dots? I never know how to pronounce that. Some Nouveau crystal drops. I will link them in the description box down below so you guys can find them as well. Some Nouveau drops that I pre-made. on used sticker paper, because used sticker paper has some kind of like a layer on top that is non-stick layer, and then you can make Nuvo drops on them and then peel them off, and then they're like little drops and then you can glue them on there. And then I also used a washi tape strip from the Flowbook, because they have like a page with washi tape strips, and a washi sample that I got. And then I'm doing some more doodling on the page. I'm really sorry that this is so dark. I made this back in January and partially in February, because I had some of those weeks where you just have zero inspiration. So I left it on my desk for a little bit, and then I returned to it a little bit later to finish it. And back in January, it got dark so fast. And now I'm doing something that I really, really love, the way it ended up. I'm kind of tracing that word hello with a white gel pen, and it looks so nice in real life. And now I'm going to decorate the left page. I'm using that cute flower punch that I got from Becca in her huge parcel to me, and I'm kind of using that to punch out craft paper flowers to put on the page. And I'm only putting glue in the middle of the flower so that I don't know, the petals kind of move, not really move, but they come up a little bit, so they look like real flowers. That doesn't make any sense because they're craft paper, but they look cuter. I don't know how else to explain it. Then that says goodies. I love those white gel pens, they work so well. I cannot tell you where I got it, because I got it in one of the PO Books mails. That little tag on the right was from the Flowbook, and the left one is from AliExpress. There, that's what I was talking about with the tea. The tea I drank had such a cute label. I actually decided to put it on the page later on because it looks so cute, and I think it blends in so well. And then that is actually, those are stickers from the Flowbook that I wanted to give the person. But then I saw, like, coincidentally, that the back of the sticker page had a really pretty design on it that matched my project. So I decided to write my mail tag on the back. And I don't know, I really like that idea because it was really a coincidence, but I think it's kind of fun. You use the sticker paper to like double as a mail tag. Oh, and there's a question on there that I also want to ask you guys. It's kind of random, but what is your favorite houseplant? Because I have a thing for houseplants, and today I bought 2 new ones. I bought a Calathea. If you guys love houseplants, you will probably know what that is. And I also bought a Scindapsus Enjoy. It's so cool. It looks like little cow spots. Really, really cool. And now that we're in the new house, all of the older plants are actually growing like crazy. They really like it here. There's so much sunlight. They're just like me. They blossom under the sunlight. It's really cool. So I just wanted to share that with you. I made a little washi tape sample with 2 of my favorite washi types. The black and white striped one because it goes quite well with the theme, and then one that I got from the Nikki Dotti mystery box. I don't know, it has like different herbs on it. It's kind of cool. And I cut out some more things for her to use. We've got those cute, adorable little fruit tags, and then some stickers. And this is also this is a houseplant sticker. I mean, how matching is that? And then on the back I wrote like, crafted for you by Vivian or something like that. And I'm just checking my project, trimming off the edges, showing you everything inside. I'm actually so pleased with how this turned out. Oh, I forgot to mention that I also dotted those flowers with that white gel pen. And I did some more doodling, little AliExpress card. So yeah, I was so pleased with how this turned out. Also that pocket on the left, that is like a little teeny tiny card. If she takes off the washi tape, she can just reuse that card as well. I quite like that. So yeah, as you can see, I'm really, really pleased with how this turned out. I hope you guys like it as well, and let me know also if you want me to do more of these videos with the Flowbook for paper lovers or other books. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. I promise next time I'll be on time. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I upload new videos every Monday and Friday. Bye for now.